Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream on Discord in 2025. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up Discord, launch Discord, and then select the server that you want to stream. So for example, select this one, and then go to this channel, voice channel option here, click on General. Under voice channel, click on General, and then when you click on General, this will connect to a voice channel. And then to stream, you simply click on this share your screen option here, which is just above your profile. So simply click on that share your screen option, and then this will open up the screen here. So simply choose the screen which you want to stream. So whatever that you want to stream, select that, and then once you have selected, all you have to do is click on go live. So click on go live, and that's it. You now have started streaming. As you can see, you're now live and you have started already streaming. So that's pretty much it is. And once you are done, you can simply click on this option here, stop streaming, hit on it, and then you'll stop streaming. And that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy and a straightforward process. Hope this information was helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.